First place the round coil onto the spindle, then set the welding parameters on the control interface. Manually adjust both ends of the workpiece to align and match them. After adjustment, press the foot switch to press the machine ends. Clamping mechanism down onto the workpiece. Adjust the position of the welding. Then to align and put the welds in. Then press the start button on the touch screen, and the machine will begin the automatic welding process. The welding done first lowers automatically, then moves smoothly along the linear guide to perform the weld. After completing the weld automatically, the welding then will retract to its original position. The opening valve on the right side of the machine will activate automatically, followed by the unloading process. The straight seam welder adopts a pneumatic pressing structure. The guiding and positioning mechanism is designed as a straight up and down solid structure, which enables more accurate positioning. The welding torch moves along the precise linear motion guide rail, so that its movement trajectory is stable, smooth and straight.